Stanford released a free version of ChatGPT's Deep Research, and I'm going to compare the two. Stanford one is free, but from memory, I think every query that I have gets sent to the public or for research. But I don't think that any of my queries are private, so just be careful with that. This is mainly for preview and research, so they will be using this as research. So you have the choice between Storm, where it writes you an article, or CoStorm, where it's a roundtable conversation. So I asked it to write about the future of SaaS with AI agents in 2025 and beyond. And this was the article that it generated, so it would have looked up a lot of sources and put together this report. The other cool thing is that you can have a conversation with people in different industries. So you would get an opinion from an ethics expert or a data quality specialist, just so it can give you multiple perspectives on the same topic. Now, when I compare this to ChatGPT's deep research, I love how it's very much relevant to what I'm looking for, and it provides much more practical use cases, tools, and how it would actually apply to my specific business and industry. And it feels a lot more comprehensive as an entire overview. And it's much more easier to read compared to Storm, where I feel like the information is not as relevant to me. And it almost kind of feels a bit too generic. I wouldn't be able to use this practically. It's a lot of text all bunched together, and I really don't feel like reading this one. The plus is that it is free, so maybe this can be applied more in academics and research as opposed to more practical and business use cases. So in that case, I would use ChatGPT, but that's under Pro account at the moment, which is $200 a month. Otherwise, Google's Gemini has one called Deep Research. Let me know if you want me to test that one out too. And it's much more appealing at $20 a month USD.